manifest what you really want, and change your life in 10 minutes. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach, and today we are soaring high like a big beautiful eagle, and we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. Want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching. Find out what a mentoring program can do for your life. So high flyers, one little paradigm shift right here in your mind changes everything. It changes from struggle to just easygoing, letting it happen. But imagine that you received a telegram, and you received this telegram about 10 minutes ago. I got my telegram here. I'm sure you have yours. And so I open up the telegram, and as oh my gosh, whatever I want or desire at the time is being delivered to me. It's on its way. It's happening right now. I don't know what else to say. It's the end of the video, I guess. No, I mean, seriously, I want you to imagine that you received a telegram 10 minutes ago. And in this telegram is exactly what it says. You have received, or you have won. Whatever it is, you fill in the blank. An incredible loving relationship, more money, a new job, a new car, a new home, a dream vacation, whatever it is, you fill in the blank. You just received the telegram. So high flyers, after you've received your telegram, that you've received exactly what you want, your vibration is shifted. Everything is changed within you. I mean, you're just feeling excited. I know I am. I'm feeling like I'm on top of the world right now. Yet, if I look around, nothing has changed. Not a damn thing has changed, has it? But it has. You see, first, the change has to take place within me. And then the change takes place outside of me. That's the basis of the law of attraction. So high flyers, one of the reasons that it takes time to manifest, even though it's present, even though you've received the telegram, one of the reasons it takes time is what we call the 4 worlds of the Kabbalah. These are the 4 worlds of creation. And the top world is the world of the divine. And then we come down to the world of archetypal energies. And then we come down to the world of plans. And then finally, the world of action, the physical world. We live in the world of action. We can't just manifest from this world. We have to first connect to the highest world, our highest potential. That's that vibrational shift that you get when you visualize or imagine that you've just received a telegram saying, you got it. Whatever it is you want, it's yours. And then you start to see pictures. And then you fill in the details. That's the next world down. And finally, you take inspired action, and it's manifested in your world. So let me share an example with you. Let's say that you desire to manifest an old classic car, a car that you can't just go to the car lot and buy. It's a rare automobile. And all of a sudden, you get that telegram, and it says, the car that you desire is being delivered to your home. Wow, what do you feel? I mean, your whole energy field has shifted. All of a sudden, you can see that car in your mind. You can feel it. You can touch it. You can smell it. It becomes real. And when it becomes real internally, it becomes real externally. You see, high flyers, it's easy to believe it because you see it. But if you're going to be a manifester, if you're going to manifest your deepest desires, if you're really going to change your life in 10 minutes, then you have to believe it first, and then you will see it. You see, the crazy thing about all this is I don't need to know how that old classic car is coming into my life, or whatever it is you desire. You don't have to know how it's going to work. You don't have to know how it's going to happen. You don't have to know what obstacles are going to be overcome. You don't need to know any of that. All you need to know is that the universe has sent you a telegram telling you it's here. Get ready for it. Now, you may open your eyes after that meditation, after that visualization, and nothing will have changed. But everything has changed internally, and that's where manifestation takes place. Because you believe it, you will see it. High flyers, I love this meditation, this visualization of visualizing that I'm receiving a telegram from the universe, that it's already here. It's a very powerful technique, and it changes your internal dynamics, and it helps you manifest. It gets your subconscious mind in the right place, because listen to me, your subconscious doesn't know the difference between a real lived experience and an experience in your imagination. So high flyers, before Julian was born, I visualized receiving that telegram from the universe, that a spirit was coming into my life, that something was going to change my life beyond my wildest, craziest dreams. I didn't see it right away, but all of a sudden, there he was. You have a great day. You absolutely deserve it.